In the modern clinical environment, the YR06375 stands out as the most efficient solution for dialyzer reprocessing. Its fully automated design allows medical staff to focus on other tasks, increasing overall clinic productivity and ensuring a more streamlined workflow. Thanks to its accuracy in TCV and blood filtration testing, each reprocessing cycle guarantees reliable and consistent results, offering safety and confidence in every procedure. This machine incorporates reverse ultrafiltration technology, which ensures thorough and complete cleaning of the dialyzers, maintaining the highest standards of hygiene and efficiency. Its intuitive touchscreen interface facilitates operation, while the one-button start function simplifies daily tasks. The YR06375 also features a resource-efficient system, optimizing water and disinfectant usage, and advanced safety and alarm functions that protect both the operator and the equipment. Compact yet robust, it measures 38 by 43 by 60 centimeters, weighs approximately 53 kilograms, and offers an input power of 150 watts. Its design allows it to operate in temperature ranges from 5 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, with water pressure between 0.15 and 0.35 megapascals, and safe storage with relative humidity up to 80%. It also features a backup battery, AC 220 volts, plus or minus 10%, 50 Hz to 60 Hz, 2 amperes, ensuring continuous operation even during power outages.